All right, boys, let's make some more progress on the Type R. We were waiting on a few packages and the packages have showed up. We got 3 packages in the mail today, all important goodies for the Type R build, which is very, very exciting. I want to drive this damn car, and I'm sure you guys want to drive it with me, hypothetically speaking. So the reason I did not put the seats in yesterday is for this box right here. This should be the ticket to repair our current seat. A new backing for the oh so beautiful Type R seat. Somehow this thing got destroyed in the wreck. One of you guys DM'd me or emailed me and let me know that they actually sell the replacement backing, and so we went ahead and ordered one up. Hopefully I can get this thing apart myself. I don't want to have to drop it off at an upholstery place to get it swapped out. I'm guessing everything just clips in, but I guess we'll see. So that is package number 1. Package number 2 is more Honda parts. Finally. These right here are the compliance bushings, is what they're called. It's how the front lower control arm attaches back to the subframe. Mine got hammered in the wreck. These little suckers were quite expensive. I think they're like $200 for each side, so 400 bucks total. These were the main pieces preventing us from driving the car. I don't want to lie, I was wrong. These were only $125 a side, so $250 total. And the third package is the last package that was preventing us from getting our interior 100% complete yesterday. These parts are from a very awesome company called Safety Restore. These are actually the original parts out of the Type R. Both front seat belts that were locked up, and then the airbag module that had to be reset. It's a cost-effective way to save your current seat belts and not have to replace the airbag module. I'll have a link down below. Way cheaper going this route. Can't talk. Way cheaper going this route versus getting new stuff or new parts in. Much cheaper. If you're gonna do a wreck rebuild, hit them up and they can get you taken care of. They do also offer a webbing replacement. So if the webbing is torn, like it was in Bobby's STI, they can replace the actual seat belt webbing, which is super handy. I have a couple other little things to take care of on the dash, and then we can go ahead and rebuild that seat. So this is something I'm gonna need your guys' help on. Being that this is not the factory head unit for the car, we are running into an anti-theft system error. So let's see if I can get it to pop back up. This thing has so many codes right now. Come on now. It's a little dirty, don't mind it. All right, this system has lost power. Push and hold the power button for more than 2 seconds to enable the system. You have to enter a code. Of course, I don't know the code. I tried 1,000 different things, but being that this is not the unit for the car, I don't know what to do. That was 5,000 times easier than I thought it would be. A couple screws on the bottom. The rest of it just unclips. We got to swap those onto the new backing. We'll be good to go. We'll have a brand new seat. All right, let's do seat belts, all of the pillow covers, and then seats. And I think we are gonna have a 100% complete Type R interior, which is crazy.
Is this a vlog or? Holy crap, it's all put together.
Look how dirty I got your carpet.
You didn't take off your shoes.
Good. You can call me a seat rebuilder.
Let's take a look.
Bobby just pulled up to the shop. She's gonna help me finish up the interior for the night.
Damn, it's like it never was in a wreck.
It's weird. It's like I had replaced the back panel.
Honey, you look like a crazy man. There you go. Like just normal style?
Yes. Not hot.
Oh.
Shit. That ain't right either.
Yeah, flip it upside down. Wait.
This is me in real life not knowing what I'm doing with the easiest, most simple task in the world, putting a pillar cover on. I figured it out. I'm just dumb. Bobby, am I dumb?
Why?
Because I can't put this on.
No.
Let me think about this again for 6 more hours. How does this clip behind the metal? Yeah, that goes over the seal, so that doesn't go on yet. The finishing piece. Like that?
Ooh.
Love you. Sexy little bitch. How does it feel?
My brand new car. I love it. Just kidding.
I'll sell it to you for $700,000 cash. All right, Bobby's gonna go ahead and clean the steering wheel. For whoever owned this car, if you're watching this video, you drove with some really dirty hands because this steering wheel is so crusty. The crustiest wheel in the world. Bobby, what's up?
I'm going to be using my Adams Polishes Carpet Upholstery Cleaner. This stuff is amazing, and then I just take a little brush. It's pretty soft, so it won't ruin this. You want to feel it? And then after I go through that, I just take my microfiber towel. Fibro towel, and I just finish her off.
You're gonna finish her off, huh?
Okay, we're gonna take this.
Bob is gonna clean up the floor mats. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the steering wheel airbag, and this interior will be 100% complete, minus.
What's the glass attached to my room?
I'm not sure. The only thing we're gonna be missing is the A-pillar covers because those have to stay out for the windshield install anyway, which I probably should schedule that appointment because this car is currently ready for a windshield. And technically speaking, I might drive it tomorrow if we have all the parts, which I think I do, but I could be wrong. Bobby just keeps on cleaning, but we got our floor mats in and that looks nice. Thank you, Bob.
You're welcome.
Should we do it?
Do what?
Come here. You must stand back. So I'm gonna turn on the ignition and I'm kind of nervous that all the airbags are gonna just blow up in my face. Hold this camera.
But you're not allowed to sit in it.
I'm not, I'm gonna reach over. Didn't blow up yet. Should I start it and see if we have an airbag light?
Do you want that rag off the engine?
I'm scared. Start my Honda. I still ain't got no radiator, so I can't run it for too long, but where's the airbag light? I have an airbag light. Let me grab a scanner and see what's up. Y'all saw me using this thing yesterday. I still have Val's Autel scanner, but it's dead. So if this thing can tell me what's wrong, that'd be insane. This little $80 midget. Let me scan her up. No shit, my lane assist doesn't work. So I had 4 codes for the ABS system. I cleared them, and I'm gonna check that system again. And if I can't do much with the Carly, as far as like recoding and whatever goes, then I'll have to use Vel's Autel. I just gotta get it charged back up. Well, that is gonna be a wrap for, oh wait, I didn't even tell you the codes. Did I tell them the codes? 4 general communication error codes from the airbag module.
You've already bleached your jacket.
So yeah, 4 general communication codes. I'm gonna grab the charger for the Autel tomorrow. We can get it scanned up with the Autel and see if that tells us more info, which I'm hoping it does. If it doesn't, then there's like an airbag specialist here locally, or maybe I'll just talk to Vel. So that's gonna be a wrap for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out, my friends, and I'll see you guys in the
next video.
Bobby, thank you for helping me out today, my brother.
Put her there. Ow, you don't have to freaking punch.